Hello students, today we are going to study about the next hydrocarbon, that is arenes. Arenes are also known as aromatic alkenes because they are highly unsaturated. Aromatic hydrocarbons are highly unsaturated and they are of two types. One is benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbon, other is non-benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbon. In benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbon, either one benzene ring or more than one benzene ring are present in the form of fused state or isolated state, and also their derivatives are also present. Whereas in non-benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbon, in this there is aromatic hydrocarbons are present. It means they are highly unsaturated. It means they are following the property of aromatic hydrocarbon, but they are not consisting of any benzene ring. In this, either there is a chain of, that is cyclic system of, less than 6 carbon is present or more than 6 carbon is present, which is highly unsaturated, that is they are following the property of aromatic hydrocarbon. So most common aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene ring and their derivative. We studied the IUPAC nomenclature, isomerism, structure, resonance, delocalization energy. All these things we have studied in earlier videos about the benzene ring. In this video we are going to start with the structure. So let's start with the structure of benzene ring. What is the difference between the benzene ring and cyclohexane? In cyclohexane there is 6 carbon and 12 hydrogen, whereas in benzene ring there is only 6 hydrogen. It means benzene ring is highly unsaturated. So by the help of some chemical property we can easily understood why benzene ring highly unsaturated. So first chemical property was hydrogenation. In the presence of hydrogen, when benzene ring is reacted with hydrogen, 3 moles of hydrogen are taken. In the presence of nickel catalyst, the temperature of the reaction is 473 to 523 Kelvin. So there is hydrogenation is taking place, by which there is formation of C6H12, that is saturated carbon will takes place. This saturated carbon is cyclohexane. Chlorination. So when benzene ring is reacted with the molecule of chlorine, that is the 3 molecule of chlorine, in the presence of sunlight, so in this case there is a formation of benzene hexachloride is taking place. It means C6H6Cl6. This is benzene hexachloride. In the case of ozonolysis there is requirement of pi bond should be there. So what is happening in the case of benzene ring? When a benzene ring is reacted in the presence of ozone, then 3 moles of ozone molecule are taken in the presence of inert solvent, that is CH2Cl2, and the temperature of the reaction is 196 Kelvin. So in the presence of CH2Cl2 there is formation of triozonoid compound is taking place. So what is the formula of this triozonoid compound? C6H6O3 whole 3. This is a triozonoid compound which is formed in the first step of this reaction. So all these reaction representing that in the case of benzene there is 3 double bonds are present. It means benzene is highly unsaturated. In spite of the presence of 3 double bond, benzene ring is highly stable. Its stability is just similar like the saturated hydrocarbon, because it is not giving some of the reaction which is mainly shown by alkenes. So what are the reaction which is not represented by benzene? In case of benzene, it is not giving addition reaction. We know that in the case of alkenes the most common reaction which is shown by alkene is addition reaction, whereas in the case of benzene there is high unsaturation is present. Still it is not giving addition reaction, that is in the presence of Br2 and CCl4 it is not giving addition reaction just like normal alkenes, whereas it is giving substitution reaction like alkanes. So in the case of benzene it is giving a substitution reaction. So what is happening? In this case, when the chlorine is reacted, so there is formation of C6H5Cl is taking place. It means by replacement of one hydrogen by this chlorine, there is a formation of this chlorobenzene is taking place. And we know that this is a substitution reaction, and substitution reaction is mainly common in saturated hydrocarbon. So whether in the case of benzene ring there are 3 double bonds, it is not showing the property of normal alkenes. It means it is not showing normal addition reaction, it is showing substitution reaction. Second, in the presence of alkaline KMNO4, C6H6, in the presence of alkaline KMNO4, there is no reaction is taking place. It means this benzene ring will not give test with Bayer's reagent. We know that alkaline KMNO4 is having pink color. In the presence of unsaturated hydrocarbon, this alkaline KMNO4, pink color of alkaline KMNO4 is decolorizes to give brown precipitate when there is normal alkenes are present. Whereas in the case of benzene ring, this reaction is not taking place. Whereas in the case of powerful oxidizing agent like acidified KMNO4 or chromic acid, so in the presence of acidified KMNO4 or chromic acid, which are much more powerful oxidizing agent in comparison to alkaline KMNO4, it is reacting in the presence of these oxidizing agent. There will be cleavage of double bond will takes place, by which there is a formation of CO2 and H2O will takes place when this benzene ring is reacted in the presence of acidified KMNO4 or chromic acid, which are more powerful oxidizing agent in comparison to alkaline KMNO4. So some of the common reaction which is represented by the normal alkenes are not represented by the benzene because of the stability of benzene. Because of this unusual chemical property of the benzene ring, first insight to the structure of benzene ring was given by Frederick August Kekulé. It was a Kekulé structure. It was named as a Kekulé structure. In Kekulé structure, benzene is represented like this, in which there are 3 double bonds are present, and these double bonds are alternate to single bond. It means there is alternate single double bonds are present, in which the corners are represented by the carbon. So if we represent in this structure, each carbon is attached by the one hydrogen. So in benzene ring there are 6 hydrogen and 6 carbon, which is forming this cyclic system, in which there is presence of alternate single and double bond. This was Kekulé structure. Many other structures were also given by the some of the scientists for the benzene ring, but these structures are discarded because of the some of the drawbacks. So what are these structures? First structure was Dewar structure. This was the Dewar structure. It was discarded. Next, Claus structure. This was also unable to explain the stability of benzene ring. This is Claus structure. Next structure was Bayer's structure. This was Bayer's structure, which is also having drawbacks. Because of that, these structures are discarded. So most accepted structure was Kekulé structure, but there are many objections towards the Kekulé structure. First objection was why this benzene ring is not showing reaction in the presence of alkaline KMNO4. Why it is not decolorizing the pink color of alkaline KMNO4. So what is the reason behind its stability? So first was C6H6 is not reacting in the presence of alkaline KMNO4. No reaction is taking place. Second, In the case of benzene ring, in the case of this Kekulé structure, there is alternate single and double bonds are present. We know that CC single bond is having bond length of 154 picometer and CC double bond length is having bond length of 134 picometer. So in the case of benzene ring, by the help of this Kekulé structure, there is one double bond and alternate single bond. So there should be difference in the bond length. The double bond should have the bond length of 134 picometer and CC single bond should have the bond length of 154 picometer. Instead of there is alternate single double bond position, it is showing each and every carbon which is bonded by another carbon having bond length of around 139 picometer. It means in benzene ring, every carbon-carbon bond length is 139 picometer, not 154 picometer or 134 picometer. It means it is intermediate between the single CC bond and double CC bond. So the actual bond length of the benzene ring, that is the carbon-carbon bond length which is present in the benzene ring, was 139 picometer. So what is the reason behind this? This was the second objection. Next, third objection, when there is a monohalogenation is taking place or a dye substitution, that is dihalogenation is taking place. In the case of monohalogenation, there should be only one product should be possible in the case of benzene, because each hydrogen is equivalent. Every hydrogen is equivalent. So if halogen replacing any of the hydrogen, one halogen is replacing any of the hydrogen atom, then there will be similar mono substitution product, that is a single mono substitution product will be obtained. In the case of di substitution, ortho products are obtained, that is 1,2 di substitution is taking place. So either these halogens are attached to the carbon which are bonded by the single bond. These two halogens are bonded to the carbon which are joined by the double bond. So in this case, these two chlorine are attached to the carbon which are bonded by the double bond, and in this case, these two chlorine are ortho substitution, showing ortho substitution at the carbon which are joined by the single bond. So the objection was that these two ortho substituted products should be different, but they are similar. In reality, they are similar, they are showing similar property, they cannot be separated. Kekulé explained the reason behind the similarity of these two structures. He said that these two structures are in equilibrium with each other. It means they are easily interconvertible, they are equilibrium with each other, because of that they cannot be separated. Because of the equilibrium is existing between these two structures, they are identified as a single structure. But Kekulé was unable to explain the stability of benzene ring, why benzene ring is having very unusual stability. So it was explained by further molecular orbital theory and resonance.